Hey guys, welcome here, and today I'm gonna pull the fire alarm in a church and pull mine. So first we're gonna talk, and this is my Uncle Ryan here helping me, and let's talk. Today we're gonna test the fire alarm system. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm system in a few minutes. As you can see, we're going to test the fire alarm in a few minutes. Get prepared for the fire drill. Thank you. And we did that. So let's pull mine first.
You ready?
Wait, why is it not activating? Come on. Oh, now. Come on, it's not.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, first pull now. There we go.
Okay, here we go. You gonna pull it? Go ahead.
3, 2, 1. There we go.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
It's not that loud.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants
It's not that loud.
building evacuation plan. Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the
Oh my
nearest
God.
exit and leave.
I actually did it.
Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use.
Let's listen. Let's go outside. Wait, mine is still activating. Let's go outside.
Attention, please. There has
There's
been a
one
report
here.
of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit.
One out here. Oh my God, I actually did it.
Stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
It's not that loud.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevator. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The elevator.
Oh my. Whoa.
Okay, are we ready?
Shall use the building evacuation plan.
I don't know where your mom is. Where's your
What's the
mom?
What's the password?
Is that Bentley?
This is
Yeah,
Bentley.
yeah.
We've been waiting for
This
it.
is the one. You ready to reset it? See that reset button? Hit it. That's it, man.
There we go. Now let's go ahead and reset mine.
That was awesome. Thank you.
There we go.
You said Uncle Ryan.
Thank you so much.
Bro, you're winded. You ran the whole building like twice.
That was awesome.
He laughed to me.
He laughed you.
Is the
He
building
went
safe?
outside.
Did he?
Yep.
Yeah, he went
It's
outside
safe?
and recorded.
Yep.
It's actually louder outside than it
Yeah.
is in here. That one
Yo,
outside
I was
is
not
really loud.
I wasn't expecting it. It was like really pretty, not loud.
Yeah, as you can see, the fire alarms were off. This first camera, and the other one is at the church. So we're gonna go ahead and the video. So yeah.
Right.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. Bye there.
Makes noise.
We need to go grab his computer out of the jacket.
The job is.
Was it pretty funny?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.